All right, I'm going to show you how to forward your GoDaddy domain to your website. So this could be done for KV Core or Boomtown, doesn't matter. So we're going to focus on Boomtown for this video. So if you were to log into your Boomtown account, you could launch your website here. This is going to give you the address. This is the address you're going to be forwarding to. So let's copy that. You need to be logged into your GoDaddy account, and I'm just going to find, for the ease of training purposes, I'm going to find a domain that I'm not using. And so you can see right here, it's got this little black box right here. It says use my domain. So I'm going to click on that. And then right here, I'm going to click where it says connect to an existing website. And then you just need to scroll down to the bottom and then paste your website there and then hit next and then finish. And then sometimes it takes just a little bit for that to process, but that's all you need to do. Let me know if you got any questions.